How you guys doing? I'm here with another video today, and we're having a unboxing video of my new Nerf gun. I'm just gonna say Nerf even though I'm not buying Nerf, but still a Nerf gun. So I'm gonna unbox it today. Here we go. Okay, where should I start? Okay, here we go. So it is nicely detailed. The gun is very nicely detailed. It is a X-Shot Long Shot Pro Series skins. So this is the type of gun. It has 20 small bullets, 20 big ones, 20 small ones, and so yes, I'm gonna rip a lot of this off. I just hate tape. So, I know I didn't talk about this that much. First time making a video, so if I don't do good, please tell me what I should do that makes it better. And I'm gonna start just keep using the scissors because there's still a lot of tape. And then I will test it, which will be pretty cool. Okay, that's off. Please tell me there's not more in the tape. Okay, so there we got the 20 small ones, 20 big ones, instructions. Okay. I'm using scissors so this won't take a while. Gosh dang it. There we go. So this I have to just throw over there. So now we have the actual gun piece. I know it's upside down. And we're just gonna start unscrewing this. I'm not the world's best editor, so I don't know how to like cut this part out yet. When I start to know how to do things, trust me, you'll know. I'm making this video because I'm hoping you guys are actually even watching this. So, my goal is to get literally over 250 views on this video. And help me to get to 50 subscribers because I want to start making live things because I think that would be pretty fun. You guys get to talk in the chat. I get to see it. And then, like, I need your guys' help to tell me how to, like, if I'm playing a video game, how to make it full on the screen. And, yeah, I'm going to need your help on that. And I'm just gonna pause just for a sec. Okay, so now we're continuing. I got that last white piece off. I forgot a piece. So now we are going to just cut this off. Now this goes over there. And look at this bad boy. It's sick. There's a safety. Which are that thing sounds like it's breaking. but it's probably like really powerful. And I'm gonna just take a look at some of the stuff. Now that is cool. I did not know you could do that. That's very cool. And so now, well, we're not done with that box yet. I just have to throw it because it's fun. This is cool. So now I'm gonna grab this. Cut this off. And that's all we need. So that can go now. So, like I said, how this 2,000 bullets. This is for the smaller one. This comes as its own thing, so this comes out. But it really, this thing goes in like this. Like this. It goes in. This one pulls, this one right here pulls this entire thing out. This one right here lets this be able to come out. So this goes like this. You push this one for only this to come out. So then you can reload this, which is really cool. I'm gonna shoot it again. It sounds so weird. Like, listen. It sounds so weird, but it sounds so powerful. So, and for some reason, if I don't touch this thing at all, okay, wait, there's something wrong with it. Oh crap, please tell me I didn't just break it. Unless I put it in the wrong way. There we go. Okay, yeah, I did just put it in the wrong way. We chillin'. Okay. So yeah. It does matter if you put it in the wrong way. Obviously, I know you would know that. So, I think it's time to shoot it. So, let me just do my magic. Oh, crap. We got all of my garbage. So, there's all the garbage. It's all gone. Okay, we are going to start with 3 bullets. And this time, let's hope I don't put it in the wrong way. Okay, good. Okay, before I start, I just looked at the manual because, you know, knowing me, kind of have to. You could put it in like a certain direction, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. How does this thing work? Okay. I looked on the manual. So that's something. Okay. I am not sure how the heck this works, but I'm just gonna shoot it now. So here we go. Okay, that thing shoots hard and fast. Okay, let's do it again. Dang, that thing is fast. Okay, this thing is a literal beast. Okay, now I'm just gonna figure out what the heck this thing does. So wait. Okay, let's figure out what the heck this thing does. Okay, stick it in. Okay. Like, if I turn it, does it do anything? No. That doesn't look any different. So wait. I'm gonna look at the manual again, because I have zero freaking clue. Well, That thing shoots so hard. These things can also be moved and taken off. Yeah, also this one has a thing in it, so you twist it, goes higher. Twist it the other way, goes lower. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. But yeah, this thing shoots hard. Like real hard. So that's not it for today's video. I'm gonna go switch out the magazines. There we go, switched the magazines. So here we go. Now let's test the small ones. Isn't me, or do this shoot way harder than the big ones? Here, I want to grab them. So now, I'm going to do a size comparison. And if you're wondering just how small, I'll show you. So we have these ones right here. So yeah, they're way smaller. And then when it comes to the magazines, we got this. And then I'll open this one for you so you could actually like visualize it. It does not help because they're both orange. And we have this. Yeah, they're way smaller. And now the gun right here. They go in the back, obviously, but obviously that's not how it goes. It goes like this. Like that. So now it's like this. And then now we can stick it in, which obviously, there. Then you just cock it, then it shoots. This thing right here goes back when you cock it. I'll show you. Like that. And then it goes forward and to shoot. Then it does that, so then it launches fast, put it that way. And this thing moves back right here. It don't move that far back, but it moves back. And that is it for today's video. I'm gonna make a YouTube short about it with some cool music. And yeah, that's about it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Bye.